getting back from going up and getting some welding done. I got the trailer on the back, and down the driveway into its spot is a real Rubik's Cube type of maneuver. And I've done it twice perfectly, and then something changed and I can't get it right at all now. So I don't know. And I'm in the trees. That's not right at all. Never mind that. The phone fell off its stand. Can't really see what I'm doing because the back of my car is full of stuff. My boat's 2.2 meters wide, and I have a 3 meter gap with a gate and a chin-up bar and a fence. And the trick is to just nip, not quite nip, but just nip the chin-up bar, and then go fully left hand down, swing it in, and be perfectly in position, which has never happened before, but that's the plan. You'll be impressed when I show you. And also not hit the shed and not hit the fence. I'm gonna have to get out and check. Not hit the fence, not hit the downpipe, not hit the tank, not hit the shed, not hit the chin-up bar. And all that soft. Laid the gravel because it was mud and it's soft, so now I got a boardwalk going on. Jeez, that's close. Not bad. Not bad. What I would love, not bad actually, not bad at all. I would love a reversing camera. And I did look at getting one, but they cost more money than my car's worth. Still, I would like one. I straightened her up, then I just line it up for the final. Not 100% happy with that now. Go fully forward. Get a good run at it. I think that'll do it. Not bad at all. Very happy with myself when I don't hit anything.